There's some very nice purports of Srila Prabhupada here too. He says, for example, 642, Hatava yoginam eva kule bhavatiti matam etaddi durlabhataram loke janma yadidrisham. 641 to 645. So that's 5 verses. 641, Prapya punya kritam lokan ushitva shashvati samaha shuchinam shrimatam gehe yoga brashta vijayate. Many devotees have heard this phrase. Shuchinam shrimatam gehe yoga brasht vijayate. So if someone's yoga is brushed, is broken, then abhijayate. Where does he take birth? He takes birth in the griha of shrimatam, of rich people or pure people, shuchi. The unsuccessful yogi, after punya prapya punya kritam lokan, the unsuccessful yogi, after many, many years of enjoyment on the punya loka, pitri loka, he's born into a family, righteous family or family of aristocracy. That's 642. Atava yoginam eva kule bhavati dimatam etaddi durlabhataram loke janma yiridrisham. Or, if he's practiced yoga a long time and still he falls, he takes birth in a family of transcendentalists who are surely great in wisdom. Certainly such a birth is rare in this world. There's a very beautiful tika by Srila Prabhupada here, which, unlike many letters and many other statements that we've heard in the mission that he represents, in Prabhupada's tika, he glorifies very highly the fortunate birth in a Goswami family, like Nityananda Goswami or Advaita Vamshacharya or Nityananda Vamsh. He said, if someone is very fortunate, he'll take his birth like in a family of Goswamis, like Nityananda Vamsh. And there, from the very earliest childhood, he'll be trained in the principles of bhakti and devotion. And naturally, he'll become a natural guru.